I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com, and this is a quick analysis of Gilead Sciences Incorporated. First, we're going to take a look at our support zone. We're going to use the future cloud where it's flat, and we're going to draw it all the way back to the flat top of our past cloud. And we can see that we do have a nice little support zone here in between 62.50 and 63. Our resistance area is going to be started with the Kijun-sen, the red line where it's flat, and we're going to draw it up to the blue flat line, the Tenkan-sen. So we can see that we have a resistance zone at 65.37 up to 66. 10% below our current market price is $58.17. So if you were to get in today at this exact place and you had a 10% stop, it would be around $58. And a 10% target would be up at $71. Our current market price does have a Kumo breakout. It has moved above the cloud. It is below the red line and above the blue line. So with having the red line above the blue, that is a bearish channel that we are inside. Our lagging green line is below current market action as well as the blue wind line, and it is above the jet stream red line and the cloud below it. So it's in the middle of congestion right now. Our future cloud did start to get a little bit bigger, but now it has started to taper off some, and it is getting smaller, even though it does have a nice flat supportive bottom. On our weekly chart, we can see where our support and resistance zones are at, as well as our 10% stop and a 10% target. We do have the blue line that has moved above the red line, and so that is a bullish situation. We'll see if that can continue. If our support zone can hang in there, that's going to be very bullish. We can see that in the past, the flat blue line and the red line is almost flat at the top of that support zone, giving it even more power. The lagging green line is below market action. The cloud and the lines very bearish, and the future cloud is bearish as well. It was getting bigger for a little while there. It's starting to taper off a little bit, but it is still a very big red cloud that market action is going to have to get into and above before we can be bullish on a weekly. Here on the weekly, we do have two Ichimoku elements that are below the current price, so that gives it 2 points. Plus over here on the daily, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 Ichimoku elements that are below the current price, giving us a momentum of 5. Taking a look at the last 10 trading days to see how our volume has been going, we do have 3 days above average volume, but the average volume is starting to taper off a little bit. So our power for momentum is setting at 3. That gives us an Ichimoku momentum score of 5 with a volume power of 3 here on Gilead. I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com.